Hey everybody, it's me, Megs, and I collaborated with Pantene Gold Series to show you guys how I got this super simple style, perfect for vacay and the summer months, you guys, and you can get a lot of wears out of a style like this. So the night before, I did moisturize my hair with the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream, and I just put this all over my hair in sections and sealed with the Pantene Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil, and I love how juicy my hair has turned out with using these products, and I just keep them in twists, and when I'm ready to style, I just go ahead and unravel these twists. So this is perfect if you're on vacation and don't have much time to style in your hair, but you want to make sure your hair stays nice and moisturized. Now I'm going to go ahead and take more of the oil and I'm going to rub it between my hands and apply it to all of my twists here. This also helps with minimizing frizz and adds an amazing shine. So this is one of my favorite products from the Pantene Gold Series line. It's so moisturizing and it is infused with argan oil, and argan oil is one of my very favorite oils. So I did apply a little bit more to the tips of my fingers and proceeded to unravel my twists. And I've had these twists in for a couple of days, and using the hydrating buttercream and the oil really work really well on my hair. And this is really beneficial if you are, somewhere where you don't have much time to kind of, mess in your hair. Making sure that it's moisturizing and applying a couple of twists in your hair and then styling the next morning is the way to go. So that's my method to styling my hair. It just makes everything so much easier. So my hair is unraveled and fluffed up and moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and put a deep side part in my hair like this. And I'm just gonna kind of figure out what do I want to do with this. So I'm gonna take more of the hydrating buttercream, of course, which is my favorite, and it's so moisturizing because this actually is a heavy leave-in cream, you guys, that refreshes and infuses the hair with moisture. And of course it has argan oil in it as well, and it just does the hair so good. And I actually prefer heavier cream, so this works perfect for me. So I'm just going to apply this to the front part of my hair and within the part just to smooth things out. And of course, next I'm going to use the curl defining pudding, which is my favorite because it's pro vitamin infused and it contains a blend of polymers that provides curl definition, structure, control, and hold, and of course an amazing shine. So you can use this on damp hair also, and this also helps lock in moisture to define your curls and reduce frizz. And I found that it works really well on my edges. It provides a really nice soft hold and adds amazing shine. So it doesn't have a crunchy feel. It has a really nice soft finish. To jazz up my style, I'm gonna put these decorative bobby pins on the sides. So I just put 2 of these on this side like so, and you can see that the curl defining pudding is doing my hair justice. It's so smooth and shiny. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the same exact thing, the pudding, on the other side and brush it on in, and as you can see, it smooths my hair out and puts it right in place. And I'm gonna put that same decorative bobby pin on the other side, and kind of to just mold my hair into place, I'm going to use kind of like the U-shaped bobby pins, and I'm going to apply these in place too. And that is pretty much it for that part. I really love these bobby pins and how it just adds an extra touch of fun to my simple style. So to finish the hair off, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff my twist just a little bit, just to give my hair a little more volume. And this is super simple to do if you are on vacation. You need to get up and go to the next event on your itinerary. So I love doing this style, and I absolutely love the way my hair turned out, and most of all, I absolutely love the way these products make my hair feel. So I want to give a huge thank you to Pantene Gold Series for collaborating with me on this video. And if you guys have any questions about products, feel free to ask me, and check out the description below to learn more information about the Pantene Gold Series collection. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.